another video where we're to talk like Mickey Mouse in public lobbies. Oh, and we're also gonna go into Ohio infections. So don't worry if you hear any bad words. Okay. Oh my god. Blind and accident. Oh shit! We're goddamn. Yeah. Die.
I had time to at least yell bomb before I died.
Yeah. Jingle bells, Batman smells,
He dropped down. He's on the ground.
Yeah, pal. He's dead.
Dropped down. He's on the ground.
I
heard the
I did a
bomb before I could get
backflip.
away. I just yelled bomb.
Oh, hi there, pal.
Robin, lady, Batmobile, let's a wheel and Booker got away.
I love
Goodbye.
grenades. Oh, my rating. You couldn't have made me join you.
Yeah, but I did.
love grenades.
I really made everybody fucking join me.
I love killing kids.
Me too. Aha.
Who here has a 1911? Did you?
He's out of knives. I can't reload this way. He better reload it.
Stop getting your gas.
Who are you? Can I have a pistol on your side?
Who shoved all the grenades up their ass?
It wasn't me. I have nothing up my. I just got out of here. I have no penis grenades. If you guys close enough,
Hi there, pal. Me, Mickey Mouse.
He is full of holes.
Nah.
Yeah, I'm not dead yet.
Why is he trying to grab
Hey, got
gas? He doesn't need gas.
He wants some petrol,
Walk the walk.
Where is he going to store the gas? He doesn't even have a car. How does he? Oh my god.
Oh.
No, how is he? How is he know where to? Stop going over there! Kill us! I feel like we have to. I feel like we have to sacrifice somebody.
Sacrifice. He's got knives.
Oh, what the hell?
He said we have to sacrifice somebody.
That's a grenade.
Oh, pal, shell. Aha, pal. We got another one.
Mickey Mouse.
Aha, pal. Kill me.
Guys, like.
Oh, hi there, pal. Oh my god! Oh, he's dead! Why no, he's dead.
Damn.
I really missed somebody, pal.
Yeah, he
Oh, hell yeah!
As I'm standing.
There's also a Roblox prison life map. A Roblox prison.
Shit. Hey, who
Oh,
wants all of my guns?
hell
So then,
yeah!
like,
Don't go behind me. Don't go behind me, pal. If you want to die, go behind me.
Alright, who wants my guns? I'm dropping it. I'm gonna go get some knives and start killing them all.
Oh my god, it's a movie.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Hi, pal.
That was bullshit. Like how you killed me instead of him.
My knife technically hit him when he died. So does that count?
Stop doing
Hey,
that.
you went down with on.
I died with Sonic.
Oh, I like this round. I hate this round. I wish it was the.
Shut up,
Oh
boy.
my guns. I'm going to go get some
I wish this was the shotgun round.
I'm gonna hunt him down, boys.
Okay.
I take
Guys,
take
there's
two.
a grenade! Run! There's a grenade! Run!
Who shoved all the grenades up their ass?
Hey, I love to catch something.
Oh my!
I sniped him with a knife!
Damn it! Go, go, go! Damn it!
Right next to you.
Can I spare you in a cup of tea? Aha! Aha, pal. Can I spare you a cup of tea?
Oh, he blew that up way too early.
I want to spare you a cup of tea! Oh my god! Thank you for the knife. Okay, we really missed. I'm ready now! Fear me, my knife of wisdom!
Picky.
It's the last monkey.
Wait. Yeah!
Damn.
My grenade! My grenade! Uh-huh, pal. My grenade! Got him!
Celebration.
I want to celebrate!
Oh, he has C4.
Oh! Yeah! I only took all myself! Damn it!
Most efficient zombies ever. Jesus Christ, they are
Monkey,
dead.
you're
Ah!
God.
Everybody was dead so.
Oh, this is my favorite round! Shotguns! Ah! Pal,
Alright, boys, I'm gonna hunt him down. No hiding from
go
me.
down!
I'm gonna go down.
He's coming right for us!
God damn.
Guys, I got grenades. I got 3 grenades.
I'm gonna stab them when they come back up.
Oh no, I dropped one of the